Hello, my name is Billy, and today we are talking about multiplying decimals. The method I am going to teach you really simplifies this process. While using this method, we must not line up the decimal points, but instead multiply it like it's a whole number. But however, we must take note of how many decimal places there are. For example, this question has one decimal place, okay? So I'll just write that down. And once I complete this multiplication, I must shift the decimal place one spot to the left. Okay, so before we start, we must ignore the decimal point, like I said before, and multiply it as a whole number. So 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 5 is 5. Now the special rules is you must add a 0 in your second row. So 5 times 9, 45. You put your unit here and your 10 here, so you put 4. 5 times 7, 35. Plus the 4 is 39. 9, 3 there. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus the 3 is 28. Okay, so we must add this all up. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry your 1. 5 plus 9 is 14. Plus the 1 is 5. Is 15. Okay. 8 plus nothing plus the 1 we carried on is 9. 2 plus nothing is 2. Because our answer is a whole number, it naturally has a point 0. And as I said earlier, we must shift one decimal place to the left and put that there. So our real answer is 2,952.9. In this question, 6.7 has one decimal place and 2.5 has one decimal place. So when I get my answer, I will have to shift the decimal point to the left 2 spaces. To begin with, just like in the other question, we will ignore the decimal points and multiply just like a whole number. So 5 times 7 is 35. So you put your 5 here and carry your 3. 5 times 6 is 30 plus the 3 carried on is 33. Remembering our special rule, we put our 0. 2.7 is 14. Put your 4 and rub out that one and put your 1 that you carried on. 2.2 times 6 is 12 plus the 1 you carried on is 13. Okay, so we'll plus this up like we did in the other question. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus nothing is 1. Okay, so as I said before, this whole number has a point. Every whole number has a point 0 at the end, and I have 2 decimal points to shift to the left. So I'll do it right now. 1, 2. Okay, so our real answer is 16.75. In this question, 2.75 has 2 decimal places and 1.6 has 1 decimal places. So when I get my answer, I will have to shift to the left my decimal point 3 times. Note how the decimal points aren't lined up. So this is irrelevant because, as I said before, I will multiply them as whole numbers. Thus, these decimal points are irrelevant. Okay, so ignoring the decimal points, 6 times 5 is 30. Carry my 3. Sorry, make it more visible. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus the 3 is 45. 5. 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 4 is 16. Okay, a special rule. 1 times 5 is, let's just get rid of these ones I carried on. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, so let's add these up. Nothing plus nothing is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. You carry your 1. 7 plus 6 is 13. Plus the 1 is 14. Oh, okay. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus the 1 is 4. Okay, so remember how I said I have to shift to the left my decimal point? Remembering that these are whole numbers, so I have to put a 0.0 at the end. I have, actually I'll just make this more visible. Okay, I have to shift this decimal point to the left 3 times. Okay, so I'll do that right now. 1, 2, 3. I'll put my decimal point here. And that is our answer, 4.4. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please take a look at my other videos and remember to like, comment and subscribe. And if you're having trouble with multiplying whole numbers like I did before, I will soon make a new video on how to do that.